Story Saturday writing prompt. My name is Lisa M. Cowan of Good Stories Grow Here Writing Studio, and my apologies for being a bit late after 10 a.m. I was fighting with with Facebook. I don't know if it's all those employees who are working from home. Maybe they're out mowing the lawn or something. But yeah, it wasn't working. The live video was not working, so I was fooling around with that for about 5 minutes. But anyway, I'm here, and thank you to those of you who have decided to join me this morning, or if you're watching the recording, welcome. And again, my name is Lisa M. Cowan from Good Stories Grow Here Writing Studio, and this morning, as I do every Saturday morning, we're going to be doing a very short meditation and followed by a 5-minute writing prompt. Now let's just get started since we're running a little bit late. So if you feel safe to just close your eyes, gently close your eyes. You don't have to, but if it feels safe to do so. Oh, there's my cat. I'm just gonna let my cat out. Okay, go out, sweetie. Yeah. Such as the Saturday morning antics. Okay. Gently close your eyes. And the purpose of doing this before free writing is to get centered in the zone, to ground ourselves. We might have been running around this morning, doing things. I know I was up at 6, outside gardening, doing all sorts of activities, or just waking up slowly and enjoying the Saturday morning. Yeah, just arriving in the place where we are and feeling the sensations that we have in our body, perhaps feeling the pressure of the chair at our backs, feeling if we're sitting on the floor, the hardness of the floor, and the feeling of how our back is, if it's supported or if it's not supported, feeling any tension in our bodies. Now we're just going to take a couple of breaths here, not spend too long. Just a couple of nice deep breaths before we go into our writing prompt. Nice big inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Just letting our mind step aside, dropping into our body. And if there are thoughts, just let them be. And then slowly we'll open our eyes. And now for those of you who haven't joined me before, typically what we do is we have a 5-minute prompt, and I read out the prompt at the beginning, and then you have your notebook and pen, and you have 5 minutes to write on the topic of the prompt. And I will let you know, I'm going to be timing it, and I'll let you know, when 2 minutes is up, or when it's almost time, so that you're not completely rushed at the end. Though usually I'm rushed at the end, but depending on what you're working on. Sometimes the stories, sometimes you write a story and it's got a beginning, middle, and end, or you end up writing a poem. I mean, it really depends, right? It changes all the time. That's what's so nice about doing the writing prompt, is you never know what you're going to get. So today's writing prompt is, okay, so imagine that you're 13 centimeters or 5 inches tall, and there's a blue-black bird. I'm imagining a purple martin. It could be any kind of bird that you imagine. A blue-black bird who comes down and looks at you as if wanting you to jump on its back. So it's sitting beside you, looking at you, and with its eyes, it's saying, hey, you know, do you want to jump on my back? You climb aboard and the bird takes you up into the air. So write what happens next. Okay, so I'm going to put the writing, I'm going to put the timer on, and so we have 5 minutes. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so there's 2 minutes left. My goodness, there's just 20 seconds left. Went by fast. Okay. Okay, that's time. That felt like about 5 seconds, not 5 minutes, but anyway, I hope you enjoyed that short meditation and writing prompt, and thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope that you have a wonderful weekend or a wonderful day. If you'd like to connect with me online, or if you'd like to share your story on my Facebook page, that would be fantastic. Sometimes students decide that they want to share what they've written, and I always love hearing from people who have enjoyed the writing prompt. So again, my name is Lisa M. Cowan from Good Stories Grow Here Writing Studio, and I help people to create a resilient and to build a creative and resilient life, and to do this through connecting to their bodies, their senses, and the world around them through writing. And I have one-on-one writing program, and you can see that on my website, goodstoriesgrowhere.com. And I also offer writing courses and writing meditation courses as well, for those of you interested in learning to meditate but maybe not wanting to just sit with your thoughts. It's easier sometimes to write them down as well, and that can be a meditation practice. So thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you next Saturday at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.